Hello there, welcome back. Tanmay here. Today's topic is that how you can grow your astrology business online. So I'm going to share something different, some different strategies from other people, other digital marketers. Actually, they haven't shared these strategies, what I'm going to share in front of you. So let's get started. And people who know me, hey there, and people who don't know me, my name is Tanmay Sanap and I'm a video marketing specialist and I am a digital marketer as well. So on this YouTube channel, what are you gonna learn? Digital marketing, business, startup, entrepreneurships. So stay connected and let's dive into the topic. I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business of your time. Now, raise the money, hire experts, and grow. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content. So, first thing is website. You must have website. Whatever videos I have created, website is a must thing. So in every video I have explained the importance of website, and for astrology to grow online, website is a must have thing. So first thing is website. I'm not gonna dive more inside the website. Create a beautiful website and don't spend more than 8,000 10,000 rupees on website. 10,000, okay? So because if you want very awesome website, very responsive website, then 12,000 14,000 are enough. Okay, people can tell you that 15,000 18,000, don't spend that much of money. Second point is YouTube. So what you can do on YouTube is that first thing is that you have to start your channel and start posting videos on astrology. That's the main thing. Yeah, that's you're gonna do. Then second is that you have to grow your YouTube channel. So for that you have to grow your network. So let's say you are someone numerology, palmistry, tarot reading, whatever. So contact these people, these YouTubers, and have a guest interview or something on their channel. It will help you to grow your YouTube channel, and it will help you to let's say you are a numerology specialist and someone is a palmistry. So what will happen? Their audience will take interest in your subject, and your audience will take. So this is how collaboration will help you grow. This is the first thing you have to do. Collaboration is very important in growing any business. Next thing is what more you can do on YouTube. So I have created a special video on YouTube that how you can grow your YouTube and what else you can do on YouTube. So there's an I button here. Just click on that button and just watch this video. After this video, that how you can do and grow your YouTube more faster and more effectively. That's very important. I've shared so many tactics in that video. Next thing is a free webinar. So why free webinar and how webinars can help you? Let me tell you. So free webinars, what you can do, let me tell you. So what you have to do, weekly or monthly, whatever is suitable for you, just host a webinar, conduct a webinar every week or every month, what is possible for you. This will help you to deliver more knowledge. And what you have to do from Facebook page, Instagram, Facebook group, you have to just collect the audience, collect the lead, and give them free knowledge for every week or every month. Maybe week is good, you'll get more clients. So 60 minutes have a topic, have a subject, and discuss your views or whatever you have to do, whatever topic is, and give people that tell people who are you, give people more knowledge. And this is how you will people will trust you that okay, this guy is authentic. Then give call to action link and send them to your webinar, send them to your website, or directly tell them to contact you if you want more depth services. This is how all people are growing any field. Webinar is very important thing, monthly or weekly. Okay, so how you have to use Facebook group to collect leads. So what you have to do, just join 20-30 website 20-30 Facebook groups. There are so many Facebook related groups, astrology groups. So I have also joined so many groups related. So what you have to do, just create a good poster and post that poster into every group. Just don't spam, okay? And these people the people who have interest, people who want to just attend your webinar, they will join your webinar. So this is how you have to create more links. Instagram and Facebook page will also help you to get links. So webinar is very important, and I'm telling you, just start this webinar thing. Okay, next is register on online website. There are so many online websites, and what you have to do, again, register your business yourself on 20 plus online websites. If you register 20-30 websites, at least one person will call you. Okay, so that's also worth. There are so many free sites, and if you can there are so many websites, they are charging 500,000 rupees as well. So this is also a good thing. Last thing is the secret. Okay, that's a good thing. Okay, This secret is gonna literally blow your mind. So what you have to do, Quora, go on Quora, and there are so many people there who are asking questions about this AstroTalk website. AstroTalk is a astrology website where so many astrologers have registered their business. Go on Quora and contact this CEO or HR of this AstroTalk. And what you have to do after that, collaborate with this person. This person has a great followers on Quora, and he's answering people are just asking questions like, is this AstroTalk website is good, or is this people registered on astrologers registered on AstroTalk are good or worthy, or their predictions are good or not. So if you just make a paid connection with this AstroTalk CEO or HR, then his one reply can just boom your business. That's very important. I'm not going to directly tell you what you have to do, just understand what I want to tell you. Connect with all the CEOs and HRs of these all bigger websites, astrology websites, where all astrologers have registered. These people have a good connection on Quora. So they're if HR or CEO of AstroTalk, I'm a HR or CEO of AstroTalk, and the XYZ astrologer is good. If he says that, then your business will not get only 100,000, 10,000s of leads per month. Your business will boom. So you have to do this technique, work on this. Okay, and thank you for watching, and stay connected. Thank you.